Russian troop transportation is done very poorly. Sending them packed in non-armored vehicles like this Ural truck leaves them vulnerable for an attack. Seen with this FPV drone striking the truck, with the first strike blasting off the tarpaulin, causing the crew and troops to flee in panic. A second drone came in and skillfully hit the fuel tank of the truck. Causing a fire to be created, burning down the truck, destroying another of Russia's transportation vehicles, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.